Angazi ukuthi into engizoyithini le ube ifanya steering sichekile umuntu obepaka le moto le uyipake angazi yini. Sanibonani. Dimelang bomme. Sanibonani guys, I hope you guys are well. Mina ngiyaphila Nkosi yami. Happy New Year zithandwa zami. I hope ningene kahle onyakeni omusha. And I hope you guys are ready, man. Like ready for the new year, ready to start chasing your dreams, ready to I want to let's because I feel like umoya is getting like a little bit extra. And then I'll open this door. Oh yeah. Anyways, bengisasho ke guys ukuthi ngiyathemba ukuthi ngene kahle inyaka nomusha. Mina ngingene kahle, have no complaints at all. And I hope you guys are ready to work, man. Like serious. Sikhumbule phela ukuthi we have goals, but lawo ma goals ethu they are not gonna get they're not going to fructify if kuukuthi thina we don't put in the work. Ngihlala ukhanya. If unesifiso sokuqala ibhizinisi, start that business. If unesifiso sokuthola umsebenzi, start applying. It's never too early, it's never too late. Just do whatever you feel like is gonna make you on December uthi look back and see ukuthi, oh, I actually did that. Stop being scared. Ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi bethu the reason why izinto eziningi singazenzi is because siyasaba. You have the fear of the unknown, fear of ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, mase ngikwenzile ukuthi, how's it gonna look, you know? But you never know until you do it. Yabo. What if awusizi? Hi phila sande unjani? Sabona buhle ngiyaphila sithanda. What if awusizi kungcono usho khona ukuthi ngazama ngahluleka onokuthi uthi ukube kuthiwa nje mfethu mangathiwa nje mfethu ngiyaqala nami ethi ngidayisa inwele awubazothina abantu vele baningi abantu abadayisa inwele vele kunje kanje. No, the market is not saturated, baby. The market is not saturated. Zama at least uhluleke khona. That's my motto for 2026. Kuthi zama kwenza lokho okudinga ukwenza, at least uhluleke khona okunokuthi uhlale and hope that you can actually be something better. South Africa is very, like, it's going down right now. So many people are fighting unemployment. Sebenza mfethu, start a business, find something to do. There are so many businesses you can start. So many businesses you can even start without a capital, you know. So nje mfethu, I'm not gonna say you don't have an excuse because you never know. Some people do have excuses. Njoba ngisho ukuthi abanye bethu bayasaba, abanye bethu banjanjani. Ngiyabonga mo. Abanye bethu banjanjani yabo. But work on yourself, work on your confidence, work on lo moya okuhlaselayo wokusaba. Nami ngingomunye wabantu nje who gets like really scared of starting new things. I get very comfortable mase ngibona ukuthi into iyangisebenzela, but when you come to think of it uyabona ukuthi actually lento ayingisebenzeli ikho ukuthi nje phela for now iyangiduduza yabo. So it's very important to know the difference. Ukuthi okay, sure, like to start a skincare business, go for that depending on type of skincare business you want to do. There's Nosiphontulu, she sells skin stuff and most of you guys know her. So if you want motivation, Nosipho dices into the skin and nje nani niyayibonela ukuthi yabo it's working out for her. Camera quality of your phone, can I please know the model? It's an iPhone 11. Ngikhipha screen protect, that's why you should nje. I realized that after some time, mangifaka screen protect camera, it's uba blurry. But there's also a filter. Guys, you're always gonna find motivation. If you feel like look at the people who are currently doing it. Look at how it's working out for them. In as much as the world doesn't work in favor of all of us. Yes, it's true. uzozama wena mhlawumbe ukudayisa like something for your skin and it doesn't work out, but during lokho kudayisa kwakho into ye-skin mhlawumbe when you do your stocking, siyabonga Mangunezi for the rolls, when you do ama-stock taking akho noma uyothenga mhlawumbe o-paper bag bokufaka into zakho, uzofika lapha uyabona ukuthi hayibo yazi kahle kahle nayo enye into engingayidayisa mhlawumbe that's gonna work out for you. Yabona into engishoyo, gonna get a lot of ideas. You're gonna start doing this and it's not gonna work out. You're gonna start doing this and it's not gonna work out. I sold perfumes and it wasn't going as good. Well, it was, but I started working a call center also at the same time when I was selling my perfume. So I didn't have time to do orders because obviously you guys know it's a call center. So Happy New Year, Nombuso. So you guys know it's a call center. So ngena early. So mina ngangena ngo10 iphume ngo8. So obviously mangena ngo10 futhi ngeke ngivele ngivuke ekseni ngihambe ngiyothenga ama perfume. I could have done that, but ngesikhathi ngikwenza ngangibona ukuthi it's draining because also I didn't have isikhathi sokuyoposa ama order for people because ngisuke sengisemsebenzini ngithi niyabona into engishoyo. But that's not an excuse. I could have found a way around it. Yabo. So now I can feel to khona izinto ezoba khona ezokuphazamisa, but just know your end goal. But okay, ngokwenza lento le I want to do 1 2 no 3 ngithi ngiyahlala okhanya ithando zami. Yeah. So just do that for yourself this year. Work on yourself. Ungabanaki abanye abantu fethu ngisho bengakukhuba ngisho bengakwenzisani. Awusathekisa imoto nje sithekisa baby ngihlele emotweni kwangogo. Ngihlele emotweni kwangogo. I'm just like giving people hope for the new year because it's a brand new year. So many of us wanna make our lives better. There's so many ways that you can make your life better, whether you want to start a business, whether you want to invest in content creation, whether you're looking for a job, whether you're doing this, whether you're doing that. Market yourself. That's all I can say. Even if you're looking for a job, let that person who's looking at your CV, what's so different about you besides all the other people. Yabo? Yes. What do I doing? Utsini wesana lisiwe. Utsini. Like mina even like also guys be willing ukwehliseka. I would like to change negative thinking. It ruins everything. Yeah, it definitely does. Lento engiyisho ukuthi ukucabanga what if what if ayangihleka? What if it doesn't work out? Okay, what if it does work out? Be positive about everything. Mina guys, I have people engithi mengibuka ama stories abo ngithi mengibona ukuthi my life is shifting to ngiphindele ngiyobuka story sakho umuntu ngibona ukuthi yazi kahle kahle into mawunenkani and you have faith, it's definitely gonna work out for you. Most importantly, if you have faith, you need to trust in God. Be a person omethembayo uNkulunkulu, omsabayo uNkulunkulu, omdumisayo uNkulunkulu, because all your things are gonna work out if you're grounded and if you have faith. I would say this is not gonna happen. I remember back in, I don't remember when it was, but Luyanda Zwane once posted a video on before she became an actress. I think 2022, 2021, somewhere there, she was still in high school. She posted a video, kokwakhe emtshela ukuthi her faith is gonna take her far, and she's had that like on her stories like for the longest time, you know. And it's something nami engi apply empilweni yami ukuthi yabo, in whatever I do, my faith is what is gonna take me far, you know. Because if nginama doubts, ingqondo yami already doesn't believe that I'm gonna be able to do whatever it is that I want to do, so obviously it's not gonna happen. Because you can do anything that you set your mind into. You can be whatever that you set your mind into. So let go of the procrastination, let go of the doubting yourself, let go of the negative thoughts, let go of being scared, let go of the fear. And trust me, it's definitely gonna work out. Like it is. I mean, I've seen so many things in my life. Hey, but when I had faith, this is what happened. Like even where I'm working now, I got fired from my previous job. Like it's okay, but indlela kwakwenzeka ngayo ngangibona vele ukuthi yabo sebefuna ukungipapayisa. So ngasheshe ngasho ke nami uthi I know guys, if ukuthi that's the case ke ngicela ukubonga angihlalo khanye. So that time I was supposed to be sad, like ukuthi ma where to from here, but I wasn't sad. Instead I had faith. It's okay, in as much as I'm losing this job, I feel like God has something for me, so I'm not gonna cry. Instead I'm gonna tell him whatever it is that you have in store for me, I need it now, because if you don't give it to me now, a lot of things are not gonna work out for me. Like I spoke my job into existence. I spoke my life into existence, and it worked out. So that's why I always say, if you have faith in something, it always works out. But munganayo faith. Ukudla. Wena kade uphekela ujeqe izola izojeqe idombolo wangangiphakela. What I want to say is that I am doing the same grade again. What should I do different? I feel like guys, about Mose High School. Mose High School. How a person years sis. I'm coming here. How? You see, when you're in high school, guys, the biggest mistake that all of us make, and it's all of us, we don't focus. We don't focus and we don't concentrate. I've never specifically failed a grade, but I didn't get the marks I knew I was capable of getting. Sometimes, like, ngabe ngutholile nje fethu 90 but angutholanga. So you just need to focus. You need to listen to your teachers. You need to apply a life theory. Good. If you don't listen, if you don't focus, you're not gonna make it. Kufana nasemsebenzini, if you're not willing to learn, then obviously le promotion oyifuna ngeke uzuyithola ngisho usukhala. Ngibona into engishoyo. So now what you can do, study more if you can. I realized ukuthi ukuba ne-phone in high school kwakungenza lose focus. I realized after I lost my phone, yes, mangana iPhone, I can actually study better and I'm getting better grades. So I stopped using my phone until I was done with my exams. So that's what worked for me. But I don't know about you. Anyways, guys, I'm sure most of you guys are asking, hey, but motivational speaker, motivational speak. I was just welcoming you guys into the year, you know. Ingahlali bo unyaka uzophela uzophinda uphele usanayo leyo nto ku wish list yakho kodwa ungayenzi. So nje focus, okay? Focusani ke bese niyabuya futhi nizothenga imoto ke. Okay, uthi ngiqale phansi nginibingelele yabo manje senibingelela ke uphila Sande oy sales cadet. Hayi uphila Sande lo yimina. Ngibingele uphila Sande lo dayise imoto guys. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Thank you so much for joining my live. Mina niyazi ke mina nani ukuthi sikanje ithupha zegwayini. Yanhlalo khani. Mina ke guys, my job is to sell cars. I sell cars. Ngidayisa imoto. Ngicela ukubona i-creator ayikho enginayo e-flow mama, but you can take my number. My number is 0710066001. I can show you the one that we had. Uyibona noma uthatha number yami nje ungisendele message ngizokutshela Choma ukuthi ikhona i-creator ikanje kanje ukusendela ithombe, but inkinga ukuthi anginayo ela e-flow. But as you know, mina ezimoto engidayisayo akwenzeki ngabe bikho. So the reason why ngizothi ayikho la e-flow is because we have a very small flow and we have so many cars, yabo. So sometimes imoto ezinye zisuke zingekho, but uma ufuna ukuyithenga, it's guaranteed ukuthi uzoyithola sithando sami. It's guaranteed ukuthi uzoyithola. Currently, the car I'm sitting in is a JAC. This is a JAC. It's a T9. It's T9 Hilux, a 4x4. It's automatic in the ambience lighting, in the leather seats, as you guys can see. It's going for 549,990. It's a bakkie with a high ground clearance. So nasi stress ukuthi mawuhambe emakhaya imoto yakho mhlawumbe izolimala nan. Ngiyibone ngomva yo ngahlanya ngiyabonga. That's the number I'm sithanda sami ngizokusendela khululeka. Plus ke i-creator it's very reasonable. Le bese nayo is 249,990. So basically you're looking at paying 5,000 kuyaphezulu for i-monthly installment yakho cabanga. Suzuki Fronx ayikho khona i-Starlet's Cross, but if you know Suzuki Fronx and Starlet's Cross is more or less the same cars, just that the other one is Suzuki, the other one is Toyota, and it retails at a price of 359,990, meaning ukuthi ngenyanga mhlawumbe ukhokha 7,000 kuya phezulu, kuya ke nge-credit score yakho ukuthi inhle kangakanani. So guys, if umuntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto, you know you're looking to buy a car, unyaka uyaqala manje, whether imoto ufuna ukuyithenga ngoDecember noma ufuna ukuyithenga noma inini, mina ke I'm your girl. Ngidayisa imoto la halfway Durban Central, ngidayisa wonke ama-brand, ayikho i-brand esinganayo. Sino Omoda and Jayco, sino JAC, sino Toyota, sino Suzuki, sino Hyundai, sino VW, zonke nje imoto. Ungene epage nami uzobona ukuthi nginazo zonke imoto. So umuntu odinga ukuthenga imoto ke guys, you need to have i-credit score yakho kumele at least ibe ku-611. Guys, ngiyacela ninakekele indaba ye-credit score. The most important thing when you're buying a car is your credit score. Unga-afford, especially if ufuna ukuthenga ngebank, unga-afforda kodwa meke ukuthi i-credit score yakho ayikho right, then ungagcina ungayitholanga ngisho ukuyithola imoto cabanga. Imagine you're making 50k a month and you're looking to buy a car that is 4,000 rand. Obviously you can afford that car, but because your credit score is not good, ungagcina ungayitholanga leyo moto. Because phela kumele sibe ne-record ukuthi okay, uThando ngoba efuna ukuthenga imoto le, uyakhokha yini kahle la seke wathatha khona izinto, amakhadi nakhe asempahla, izitolo zempahla, yabo. So make sure that you take care of your credit score, pay all your accounts in time, you don't have any accounts in arrears. Make sure that you will be blacklisted, because ukuba blacklisted guys kuyakumoshela ngempela. Ngisho ngathi usufuna umuzi ugcina ungayitholanga. How do I build my credit score? Mine keeps on dropping. You build your credit score noma swazi ngokuthi ukhokhele ama-accounts akho in time. Wenze sure ukuthi aweqisi ngisho inyanga eyodwa. So let's say une-card laka range and ekhadini lakho you need to pay every month mhlambe nge-29. Wena kenza sure ukuthi ukhokha nge-28 a day before. That way by the time kushaya i-29 i-credit bureau mi-check i-account yakho, your account has already been paid. So leyo nto ikutholisa amanye ama-points. Paying for your accounts in time, make sure you don't miss any payments. Make sure ukuthi akubi khona isikhathi whereby ikhadi lakho lihleli lingenzi lutho. Use your card, even if awudingi. I mean, I have a credit card from TFG. Ngiyazi usonke nje TFG. Mina likhadi la TFG, man, I've been using it for a year now and I've never had the issue le inhlezi ngisho ukuthi yabo khokhisa imali eningi wara. I've never had that problem. So what I do is I make sure ukuthi I pay for my accounts in advance. Like yabo, my accounts I'm supposed to be paying I think 60 rand ngenyanga, but I don't pay 60 rand. I pay 100 rand, 200 mhlambe ngenyanga ngiyakhokha 300 yabo. Ngenza sure ukuthi I pay extra than what they need. So that way I know ukuthi yabo ngisafe ngisho ngathiwa khona izinto ezicheckekayo. I've been doing that, but my credit score is dropping. Okay, no masazi ngicela ungisendele i-message WhatsApp mhlambe. Yeah, bengisasho ukuthi my name is Phila Sande and I sell cars. No maswazi, I'm so glad you're still here. Please take my number Sandra Sam and then we can do a check for you. Like I can just get more information from you, because obviously I can't ask you personal questions live. Yabo chum, it's gonna be too much. Yeah, but guys, if you're looking to buy a car, your credit score is one of the most important things that you need to take care of. Ngiyakubona imholo wakho, ngiyakubona imali oyenzayo ngenyanga if ukuthi umuntu o self-employed, but your credit score yakho is the most important thing, because if your credit score yakho bad, you're never gonna get that car unless if uthenga ngocash. Yabo, like ungafika to you earn 60,000 a month, but you won't get that car. So these are our requirements. If you're looking to buy a car, you need to be making at least 7.5 after deductions ngenyanga. 7.5 after deductions if umuntu sebenzayo, and then your credit score needs to be at 611 nje credit score yakho siyahlangana ngizothi ngithini. Bese ke kudingeka i-ID yakho, kudingeka i-license yakho, kudingeka u3 months payslip, kudingeke u3 months bank statement. If ukuthi umuntu oyisebenza phecelezi self-employed, we also assist umuntu ozisebenzayo. Yayizona into engishoyo. Be also assist umuntu ozisebenzayo. So wena nje okwakho ukuthi ungithinte, whether ungisendele i-DM noma you take my number on my bio, ungisendele WhatsApp usho ukuthi mina phela Sande nayimoto engifunayo, ngifuna ukuyisebenzisa kanje. Also guys, if this year maybe you were planning to start Uber, you were planning to start a business, ungene ku-Uber, ufuna ukuqala ukuthatha staff seyingane, ufuna ukuqala nje ukuba umuntu we-staff, sinazo imoto for those types of works. Either ufuna imoto encane or ufuna i-7-seater. 7-seater, it's up to you whether ufuna i-Triber noma ufuna i-Urban Cruiser noma ufuna i-Toyota Ramyon or i-Etika, Suzuki Etika or 7-seater bethu-ke labo guys. Ama-price abo obviously ayahluka. Toyota Ramyon ne-Suzuki Etika, it's 359 and 190, which means ngenyanga you're gonna pay 7,000 kuya phezulu, bese kuya ngokuthi credit score yakho yinhle kangakanani. Remember, mina as sales person angikwazi ukutshela ukuthi uzokhokha installment engakanani ngenyanga. I can only give you an estimation. The bank then tells you ukuthi uzokhokha imali engaka. Do you have demo cars? Yes baby, I definitely do have a demo. We do have a demo, mostly on all cars, but la eThekwini we specifically have most on Mora, J-Cool and JAC demos now la. But what we do, because you guys know halfway is not only in Durban, we have a halfway in Empangeni, Zululand, we have a halfway in Shepstone, we have a halfway if it's so what we do is, if when you buy a motor from me and that's now live flow, we have all these other franchises lapho isikhuluma nabo ukuthi okay sidinga imoto kanje. It's basically like the same business with the same owner with the same people, yabo. So imoto umuyithenga kumina, like let's say ufuna ukuthenga i-Honda because halfway Honda use-Shepstone, ufuna ukuthenga i-Honda but ufuna ukuyithenga kumina, it's fine, you're more than welcome to do that. I sell all car brands as long as nje khona ka halfway wazi ukuthi leyo moto ngiyidayisa. Sidayisa ama-Jetor, sidayisa ama-J-Cool, sidayisa Omoda, sidayisa u-JAC, sidayisa u-Toyota, u-Suzuki, u-Hyundai, u-VW, Isuzu. We sell everything, okay? So wena nje okwakho ukuthi uma ukuthi umuntu oyisebenzayo at least yenza u-15,000 ngenyanga khona uzokwazi ukuthola imoto. At least yenza u-15,000 ma uyisebenza. Nokuthi guys, abantu abayisebenzayo i-most yeni mistake eniyenzayo nifike let's say une business and ubanka ku Capitec wakho, imali ye business njalo ngosuku ifaka ku Capitec wakho, ebese uyazizumbula isizumbulu sika 30,000 usimuvele ngale, uyayimova basically imali. Please make sure ukuthi ekumuveni kwakho imali, le mali le oyimuvayo i-bank statement yakhona i-secure, because nayo bazoyidinga ukuthi bafuna ukubona le mali oyimuvayo uyimuvelaphi, uyimuvela ba, bese kubona ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani. So always make sure that you have records for everything. If you ufuna apply imoto using a business like, or maybe you have a registered business, make sure that you also have a bank account ebhalwe ngalelo business. Or if uzosebenzisa your personal account, make sure that you are the sole proprietor of the business. Akekho omunye umuntu okhona ebusinessini. Ngiyathemba ukuthi akukho engakuchazanga ke manje guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys the cars that we have, and then ke ngizobuya ke ngizothi sit down. Kethi ngiqale la ngiphuma khona. Oh, my camera. Nah, cool guys. So this is a JAC. This is a JAC T9 Ilaxi. Le motor le automatic. This is a Paki. It's automatically. As yabona igear la khona leli nayi is steering sayo. It has a voice control, voice projection, so uyakwazi ukucommanda uyitshela ukuthi ayenze ini. It has a keyless entry, so ukhe wakha ufaka indawo la, nayi indawo yokupressa la, ya nayi key wakho uyawubeka nje la, bese ke imoto iyaduma ke as long as ukhiwe ngaphakathi. Nah, guys, now I'm at JAC. These are JACs, I'm at T9. For anyone who's interested in e-baki, now I'm a baki, now. Siyaqhubeka. This is also still a JAC T9. This is one is a T9 Super Lux again. Sunroof is a T9 Super Lux. Bese kuzoba iSuzu. If umuntu ofuna uqala ibhizinesi nayo iSuzu likhona lo 359,990. You're using it to land izinto emadrobheni, siza abantu abapakishayo, siza abantu abaphekayo. All of that. And then here we have a Toyota Corolla Cross XS. Toyota Corolla Cross XS Lena. And then we have a Suzuki Baleno. Suzuki Baleno is perfect for people who are trying to start an Uber business. It's going for 289,990. This is a 2025 Suzuki Baleno. It's automatic, as you guys can see. It's brand new. It's brand new. Corner. So if you want to start Uber business, you can definitely take this Suzuki Baleno. And then here we have EJ Cool J5. This car is going for 379,990. This is an SUV. It's a brand new car. SUV, as you can see, moto enkulu njenga isebenzisa for umndeni wakho. If ukuthi ufuna nje imoto. Yes. Now, if you're looking for an SUV, very affordable, 7,000 ngenyanga, 379,990 to 7,000 monthly installment kya phezulu. Nayi ke SUV yakho. Ebeselana we have ePolo Vivo, e1.6, Kampahlane automatic. It's going for 279,990. Nali ePolo abafuna ePolo Vivo. Then here we have 2020 Hyundai Venue, e-fluid is going for 249,990. So on 5,000 wakho you can definitely get this car. Lana, there is a 2022 Hyundai Venue Emotion going for 249,990. Nangu Ford Ranger kusetayisiwe. La we also have another Isuzu. Ngalena ke guys bekungasiyona i-flip side bekuyi low rise, le high rise flip side. It's going for 379,990. How much is an installment for Polo Vivo? It's starting at 5.5. Starts at 5.5. The cash price is 279,990. So your monthly installment is gonna start somewhere at 5,500. And then here we have a Toyota Corolla Cross XR Hybrid. This is the car that also uses electricity for certain mileage. It's going for 419,990. This is an SUV with leather seats. It's automatic. It also has electric usage. So for certain kilometers, if you run out of fuel, this car switches isebenzise ugesi and ayicharge iyazisebenzisela yona ngokwaya. It has leather seats, as you can see, a multifunctioning steering wheel. It also has ISOFIX over there, which is a feature that you can use to protect your child mangabe umfaka ngesitulo emotweni. So this is a Toyota Corolla Cross XR Hybrid. And then here we have your Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro ESE. It's going for 279,990. In a leather seats, in a sunroof. Le moto ke you're looking at paying 7.5 kuya phezulu after deductions. So if you guys have any questions, just tell me which car you're looking for. This is the only stock we currently have. Is moto December. So but whichever car that you're looking for, we're definitely gonna find. It's like Haya, we have so many branches where we find cars for you guys. Angeke ufike uthi ufuna isitale it's missing it's mina asikho, because sikhona naye Suzuki Baleno uyithethele yona ayimosha petrol. It's 289,990. So nje nawe uyabona ukuthi moqalela uba ngale moto, you can make a lot of money. If you guys have any questions, you can just ask. Ndiyabonakala. What's going on? Loyiwe. Ishilo guys, ngikhombisa imoto nje just for a few seconds. Now I'm up JAC yabomwabo from the back. This is how it looks. Yes, so if there is any car that you are interested in, you're more than welcome to take my number. Eshe number yami ngiyayipina la, but you can also take it from my bio. If ukuthi nihlampa uyitholanga la on my pen thing. Remember ngithe umuntu oqualify for ukuthenga imoto, it needs to be someone who is earning a minimum of 7.5 after deductions when we are ukuthola entry level car. And then you need to have a credit score of 611 kuyaphezulu khona uzoqualify ukuthola imoto. Ebese kudingeka South African ID, South African driver's license. Also if unganayo license uyakhona futhi nakhona lapho ukuthola imoto. Uthola kanjani imoto if unganayo license? Basically what happens is we get a nominated driver. You need to have a nominated driver. So if unengane ne-license usebenzisa license engane yakho, if uma wakho ne-license nombaba wakho or your husband, more than welcome to also use those people's licenses, and then you also get yourself a car. Kanjalo ke guys. So if anyone has any inquiries, please just take my number. Also go on my page to see imoto ngayithanda. Also if ukuhlambe imoto awukafuni ukuyithenga manje, you can take my number and save it, because on WhatsApp I post cars every day. So you can get an idea. You can get an idea of which car you're looking for. There's some demos, there's some pre-owned, there's some brand new. Siyawenza futhi nama trade-in. So if unemoto and maybe you wanna upgrade your car, you're more than welcome to contact me. Mina ngizokusiza ke accordingly. Shapo. So njengamanje, you can just take a screenshot of my number, and then you know, yeah, bye guys, izobona nango.